Hello everyone, welcome back to another stream. So, alright. Yeah, she signed into my account. No. So right now I'm just gonna look at price action. I don't know if I'm gonna take a trade today on my live. If my model shows up, I'll do it. Let me just call my friend. Hello? Hi. Alright, there you go. Yeah, I'm already in. I got in at 23,648. Hold on. I'm setting up my stream still, making sure everything is good. Alright. That should be fun and I can hear me okay. Alright, sorry, my stop is 30 points. Oh no, we're cooked. Yeah, it's okay. I kind of expected to do another sweep, but it's the model, so it is what it is, as long as you trade the model. Oh, yeah, hello Ismail. I was in a sell for my second model on a challenge. Just kind of testing it. I'm still back testing it, so I haven't started trading it on live yet. But when I do start live, I'll completely switch over. Probably when I start work. there's 3 of them in there now. I don't know, what should I do?
It's up to you. Are you gonna try to trade on stream or?
Well, no, I'm still gonna try and trade today. I wanted to join the. It's just been a while since they've been in the Discord.
Yeah, you should go on the Discord.
Yeah. What are you back test?
Yeah, I'm probably gonna back test and then hopefully pack the rest of the stream for you.
Alright.
Okay. Have fun.
Alright, have fun.
Bye.
Bye. Alright, so there's a Discord full of local Ottawa traders. I wanted to just hop into the Discord. It's been a minute since I've seen them on. But I'm still gonna trade. Right now I just don't really like the market. I don't know. What was Nvidia's earnings? I'm just curious. Because it dumped yesterday. Even though, yeah, it was positive. So I don't know. Right now the market is kind of ripping. I don't know. I don't really like. I liked the way Bitcoin looked though. That was in a pretty good spot to go lower. And then yeah. I was just watching Bitcoin, and it moves kind of like the Nasdaq. That's just one thing I noticed. It's sort of similar. So Nasdaq could just be just a little wild right now. Dow is wanting to go lower, so really not good good conditions to be trading. I don't feel comfortable trading whenever the Dow isn't agreeing with the Nasdaq. But if they do start to agree, I'd prefer to start seeing the Nasdaq go lower, because we are at a premium on a higher time frame, or above, this relative equal high. We had kind of sideways price action. We could just see it continue to go higher. But I don't know. All I'm saying is we are in a premium, so we ran up above these relative equal highs. All right, so that's all I'm really saying is that, okay, we could have a move lower here, and if we do, I want to see the 5-minute short-term high. So we did have that right here, 5-minute short-term high, and 1-minute inverse fair value gap. I could short here. This would be, my model. But I need a fair value gap to form. Welcome everyone. I see we have 3 viewers. I'd appreciate a like if you don't mind liking the stream. It just encourages me. I don't like the way this fair value gap's being formed. I want to see, I'd rather see a large wick. Oh, that's okay. Let's see how big my stop's gonna be. $30 times 3. once I get in a position, I'm gonna join the other Discord that I was just talking about. But I just want to get into this first. All right. I'll let this one ride a bit. Got about 4 hours. Run it to that low. There you go. The candle did close this time. Last trade I took, I broke my rules. The candle hadn't closed above the short-term high. And that happened twice in a row. But yeah, so we had the short-term after 9:30, post 9:30, a short-term high, price swing lower ran out. Even though it wildly stretched outside this, you know, I want to really see it dump here. And it's 4 hours, so it's worth it. I would have liked this short-term high to be in closer proximity to where the current high is, though. So if it would have done something a little more like this instead of all the way up here, but it's okay. And then again, I want to see the Dow agree. So I am short the Dow is going dumping lower. I just want to see the Nasdaq now. I want to start to agree. It's just being a little hard-headed. You know, I think it might have been better to short on the ES because it's kind of in between the Nasdaq and the Dow. It would have been probably better to short on the Dow, but whatever. Cameron joined their Discord. Yo.
Yo, LP, what are you saying, bro?
What's up? It's been a minute.
Yeah, how you been, bro?
I've been. Which one?
You?
LA. I mean, Las Vegas.
Las Vegas is sick. I did some gambling, drinking.
Rolling.
Mostly it's just like a lot of shopping the first few days and just getting drunk. And then I went around, saw the canyon and different food spots around Las Vegas the next 2 days.
Type shit. Damn, you guys still in Longs?
No what?
I'm talking to.
Oh, longs. Y'all are in longs.
No, I mean I'm in shorts.
Okay. I'm in shorts.
Yeah, I'm in a long now.
It's a 30-second in.
It's not.
1 minute long.
It's not looking good though.
Damn, it's just choppy, but yo, fuck. I thought it was a 1 minute inverse, not a 30-second. I was on the 30-second this whole time.
That's why we don't use that shit.
This is not looking healthy.
Alright, fam, I just got stopped out. Yeah, I'm done for the day.
I'm probably gonna get stopped out. I'm not stopped yet. I stopped at the current high, but I don't think this is gonna work.
Or shorts?
Short.
Oh shit! I should have put my stop a little higher, huh? I put it at 732. Jeez.
Yeah,
This
what
shit
the
starts
season?
jumping on the beach cheese, but it is what it is. We'll just come back tomorrow.
Yeah,
Kind of price action shit. But yo, fam, when you guys longing to?
oh, give some
Close it off quick.
What? Why are they long? Yeah, what the fuck?
2409.
What are they long
419.
to? That's a good question.
24 or 109?
019.
But all time high?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's too much.
The fuck?
It's just pumping from here. We can get it.
Yeah,
I want to dump.
hit
Let's
my
go.
break even on it.
Let's go.
I didn't look too sure.
They're my liquidity in the Discord. Give me your money. Nah, we don't know. I could be their liquidity. Who knows?
Fuck, well, I Loki should have got a bigger stop.
I think
Stop
he's gonna be
loss.
pissed because he got out up here. He got out at the
Good.
short-term high, and that's when I was like, "What the hell?" Yo, who just cut their short?
Huh?
Who just cut their short?
I got stopped out. No shorts. I had my stop
Are
loss
you
at 732.
are you pressed?
Nah, I'm chilling because, yo, to be honest, fam, like, yo, usually it hits, you know? I'm not tripping.
How much IR do you go for?
Like, 1 to 3, 1 to 4.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're chilling.
Yeah, I'm not cheese because, yo, I already thought it was gonna work because this data lows, my nigga. It just flipped into 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute. Like, you know?
Yeah, even if he misses this one, it's fine.
I'm not tripping.
You get another one next week or something like that. 4 hour,
It's
four
P,
losses.
holy shit. Yo, you guys still in longs?
I'm in shorts though.
Nah, close it
Yeah.
off early.
Give me my lunch, bro. Be my lunch money. Oh,
Damn, fuck, my nigga. Like, if I had a bigger stop
they can't
loss,
hear me about that.
I'd
Okay.
be up like 7 bills right now. Fuck you.
No, okay. I gotta calm down, bro.
Y'all stopped out by fucking 3 points, my nigga.
Ismail, what's up? Yo, what the fuck? Yeah. Whoa. What did I just receive as a text? What the fuck? My I just received I didn't follow my rules. I thought I got on profits, but I could have made much more. You were short too? Bro, what do you mean you could have made much more? Like, you don't have rules. What's going on, bro? If you have rules that say where to take profit, then you prevent any emotion from coming in saying, "Fuck, I could have made more." Blah, blah, blah. Unless you made a mistake.
Yo, Georgie.
Very simple.
Uh-huh. In a
Stay
trade?
quiet in there and trade. You don't talk.
You're in a trade?
Well,
Yeah.
What'd you say?
So you guys just stay quiet in here. You don't talk.
we're trading.
Yeah, well, I'm just watching the trade.
Talking, bro.
Wait, Frieza, you still trading? You said it's August. You're not trading in summer.
Yeah, I took a trade yesterday, and then like I'm I'm just trying to pass an account right now. By
Okay,
Black
okay.
Friday. Markets got kind of better this week.
I think so, yeah. I think it's just earnings though.
Yeah, earnings came out yesterday. Did you guys trade yesterday?
No, there was no news, but I had my like model showed up. I was
You only
just
trade news?
watched it work. Yeah, I just had to sit there and watch it work. It's kind of annoying, but whatever.
Well, why do you only trade news?
It's just higher probability. When there's no news, like my model can show up, but then it might be slower, consolidate, or not hit TP. You know, maybe I lose.
Yeah, yesterday's trade took a long time.
But I'm developing a second model that is just I trade before open every day. I just try and make money off the 9:30 open. So that one is not news. I'm trying to be flexible. Kind of like orb. Everybody keeps saying orb. I don't know what that is, but it's simply I mark out midnight and 8:30, and then if it's prices underneath both those levels, I buy it. If it's above both those levels, I sell it.
Yeah, that's what we're it's called like something
The open range break or something?
opening range. Yeah, opening range.
I don't wait for a breakout. No, I just yeah. I guess yeah. I guess I'm trading the
Exactly.
breakout. Yeah.
Yeah.
Jeez, if I put my stop loss at the high, my nigga, I'd be up 300 ticks right now. Almost. Fucked up. Fucked up.
So you're pressed.
Yo, I'm not. I can't lie. Like, I'm low key pressed. I'm low key.
That's what I asked you earlier. I'm like, are you pressed? And you're like, nah. I'm like, all right.
Nah, yo,
But you shouldn't be. You shouldn't be.
Yeah.
You're 4 hour. You're gonna get another one.
Yeah, that's true. It's just at first, like you know, like I thought, what's it called? Like I didn't think it was gonna like literally drop right after I got stopped out. You know? No, fuck. 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 Oh, yo, you hit
Oh, it's
TP there,
mad.
or you're going for that?
No, my
Gosh.
TP is way down at the daily, close to 7 a.m. lows.
Fucked up. Fucked up.
I'm
That
up.
shit literally
I'm up
exactly
700,
where I was talking about.
800. No wait, 900. What the fuck?
Bro, this shit literally went exactly where I was talking about. It's fucked up.
It's mad. You should join the Discord, brother. I'm up a band now.
Good shit, my nigga. Good shit. Oh, I would have passed both my accounts with this trade. But you know, it is what it is. It is what it is.
Oh my god, what the hell?
LP, you're short?
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm up to 375. 375. Just one contract.
nice.
Good shit, bro.
One contract. What the hell?
Yo, Rondo, Frieza, you guys took some. You guys took trades?
Yeah, I was gonna buy for it, but I closed it off early.
What about you, Frieza?
Yeah.
Huh?
Took L's.
Yeah, how many trades?
Who?
Fam, you know, I realized, my nigga, Frieza, you're always looking for longs, my nigga. I used to look to see if there's a short too, fam.
The people that say, "Oh, it's a Nasdaq
Every
long
day,
so every day," like I don't know. I don't know. Some people say that. I just think it's stupid. I've made the most money off shorts this year. I've actually made the most money. I made it off shorts for the Nasdaq.
Fam, you know what they say? Apparently, shorts play out way faster than longs.
Yeah, it's very
Yeah.
violent.
Yo, I fucking called it, fam. I fucking knew
Fuck. The rules actually say I should take profit here, but I'm trying to just like be cheeky and
by 3
fuck.
points, man.
I'm just playing. I'm gonna hold it to here. I think it's gonna
Yo,
come
what was
down.
your entry LP? Like price
23,712.75. But it hit my TP. Well, according to my rules, it hit TP, but I moved my TP a little bit lower, like a few points to the next low, and now it came all the way back up. Huh?
How about you just partial and go break even?
No, I don't do that.
Type shit. But yeah, I can't lie. There's more jobs lower, fam.
Yeah, I'll be fine. I just have to wait a minute.
You see 584.
I'm trying to take profit at 583.25, but
Yeah,
I should be taking profit at 593.75.
Looks like just move your SL. Oh, it's on 6. Never mind.
Fuck, it just feels so good to be out of the position though. Like,
Fam,
yeah, let's not be greedy,
Go
bro.
all the way to 23.
I'm not.
540.
I'm not finna be greedy.
You see 540?
If it comes down, I'm gonna close it.
Because if you take the 4 hour, we didn't inverse that 4 hour gap, but then we just wait until another one.
Oh my god, bro. Just close the trade.
Okay.
Leave it, bro. It's out of my control.
No retrace? Like, yo.
Putting the nice jacket on today.
TP. Oh, what a glitch. LP, you out of your trade already?
No, bro. I'm just waiting for it.
Same. You trade NQ, right?
Yeah. MNQ.
Oh, MNQ. You like it better than ES?
Yeah, way better. I've always traded NQ.
How long you been trading?
For me?
Me?
Wow.
Which one?
LP.
Oh, 3 years. Like I started seriously trading in 2023 with ICT's mentorship. That was like the first kind of mentor I had, and then before that I was really just doing stocks, like random whatever, gambling or crypto. It wasn't really trading, but so almost 3 years, I guess.
LP.
Yeah.
How long till you became profitable?
A year and a half.
Year and a half.
But I quit school. I didn't work much. I only did trading, and I listened to a lot of psychology stuff early. Like I did a lot of fucked up mistakes though too. I don't expect the average person to like be as I don't know if quick. A year and a half I would say is quick. Like I was expecting more like 4 years.
Yeah, LP. You take like 1 to 2 trades a day, huh?
No, 1 to 2 trades a week.
Jeez, fresh.
This is my first trade this week. Didn't trade last week. Didn't have well, I did have a setup, but it wasn't like high quality, and I didn't catch it.
Yeah. Would you say that trading less made you profitable?
Like trading, no. When I first saw consistency, I was trading like less than 1 hour. I was trading every day, multiple times a day. But over time, I started using bigger stops and then 1-on-1s and 1-on-2s and 1-on-3s. Like I started with 20 points and 30 points, 40 points, and I climbed my way up. And as I started going for more RR, I realized I didn't need to trade as much. Like the more RR you go for, the less you actually feel like you need to trade. You kind of just want to wait for those really really nice setups that like look at today. It went to my TP and it just all the 5-minute candles are down. There's just no up close candle. Like those are the nice conditions that I look for.
Kind of like today was like easily expected. Like yo.
Yeah. So it just depends what kind of trader you are. I don't think there's a secret recipe. It's just about like what you're okay with. Like me, I have trouble. I doubt myself sometimes getting into a trade. So I needed to do something really simple. And if it's, that's why I don't take partials right now or break even stop, because I doubt myself and I just like to leave it and set it, forget it. I don't touch it.
Yeah. Yeah.
No. 10 points. Would you say 3 months is crazy if someone figured it out in 3 months?
3 months? Oh yes. Well, I've seen that. Like I've seen somebody figure it out in 6, 7 months. But if you have the right guidance, like I don't think it's crazy. It also depends on your background, like how you think about risk.
Yeah, I did options for like 5 months. I blew 10K, and then I did 58 evals. I blew every single one of them, and now I just
Huh.
passed another one.
Do
But
you
I'm broke now.
what's your strategy?
My strategy?
Yeah.
I just wait. I just wait for the top, and then I short.
Okay, but like, how do you determine that?
Well, I just use higher time frames. It's so much easier for you to look at it from like the 4 hour. You can see everything. I use 4 hour, 8 hour, 6 hour.
But do you have like a step-to-step approach on how you get into a trade? Like, if you were to give it to a child, could they read it and figure, or someone that doesn't trade, could they read it and kind of like having a good idea of what you do?
Not really, because it's not perfect yet. I'm still new. I don't catch the full moves. I just catch like a quarter of the moves. But then I use like 2 contracts, so then it's enough, even if I'm not getting the full thing, right?
Yo, do you use like fair value gaps and shit?
Yeah, I do.
I
But I
don't.
don't use them as entries. I use them as like exits.
What?
How do you
So I
how do you
trade
enter?
I trade to them. I don't trade out of them.
How do you enter?
Hmm?
How do you enter them?
Well, you have to know when price is gonna reverse. That's what I did basically. I was fighting the trend every time on my evals. I was trying to figure out when is it gonna reverse. And then once you know when it reverses, then you could find your exit at the gap. Like you see, if you go to the 1 hour on ES, there's a gap. That's where it stops right there. So if you know how to time,
Yeah.
that's your exit.
Were you over trading and shit though?
Of course,
What's my account
you have to
balance
just
on
know
this
when to
screen?
get in. Because if you get in too early, you're fucked. You just have to wait.
Wow, bro.
It's all just waiting.
9600.
Yeah.
LP, what firm do you use?
I don't trade props.
You use your
No
own
way.
money.
Yeah.
Proper.
Wow.
So yo, you're up $1,000 that you could withdraw like right now.
Yeah, 1600. Yeah. I could. Well, it's in US.
Holy
I
shit.
made 12. I made 1200, and
What
then
broker do you use?
amp,
Huh?
amp.
Yo, amp like yo. I tried making an account like it's so complicated. They're asking you
Yeah,
for like
you have to
proof of
get it.
access.
Oh yeah, it's futures. You gotta get approved. I capped. I told like I just opened it years ago, but I capped. I said that I made more money than I actually did, and I had more assets, and they let me. They just approved me. But if you say you make under a certain amount, they could decline you.
Yo, how many like how much money do you need to open like a mini?
It's really cheap margins. $70 micro, seven
Oh,
hundred a contract for Nasdaq.
so $70 for one micro?
Yeah, but if you hold it overnight, it goes to 3K. So, like, but it's
If
still
you hold
cheap
it
margin.
overnight, what?
If you hold it, if you're a day trader or a swing trader, you hold it overnight. If the position you need 3K in your account, otherwise you just need 70 micro for intraday.
Oh
US in
shit,
US dollars.
proper. Jeez, I might get filled in, fam.
I feel like going out today now. Like, I don't want to stay home all day and back test like I've been doing the last week. The whole
Yo, LP, what time do you trade to?
uh 9:30 to 11. Well, no, sometimes 12.
Okay, so you don't just sit at the computer all day?
No, I mean I'm barely on the charts looking for to trade. Um, I it depends if I'm back testing. Like in the past 2 weeks, I've been on the charts like 6 8 hours a day because I'm developing a new model. Because I have this job starting, and it's for my friend. I really want to try and he's opening a new store. I really want to try and put as much time as I can towards it. So I need to find a new model that basically just I can just press buy or sell and then just close my phone. That's why I like the orb thing. I've been trying to develop that, practicing it on different markets, different years. Trying to see how consistent, what to expect, everything like that.
That's it, bro. What do you think about front testing? Like just being in live every day, looking at it on the charts.
No, I only do that when we have news that day, and usually it's only like 2 to 3 days a week on average. So this whole week I really didn't have to be on the charts. I just kind of just back tested. I didn't really look at the live market. Just peep it every now and then. At the end of the day, see where it closed, all that stuff. Like
I get it.
all my model is really simple. Like I wait for a 5 minute short term high above 8:30 and midnight, and then 5 minute short term low below 8:30 and midnight, and then fair value gap with that. And it's
And it works both ways, whether it's a long or short.
well, if it goes up above 8:30 and midnight and it runs out a 5 minute short term high, like a price swing lower, like here today it was a 920 925 candles. Then I just wait for 1 minute bearish fair value gap and short it. Stop is at the high, and then minimum 3 RR targeting next 15 minute short term low. So it's usually like 3 to 4 RR.
That's sick, bro. That is sick. I get like 3 to 1 max. I always get like 2 to 1, 1 to 1. If I'm lucky, I get 3, but
That's what most industry does. Like people that go for 3 RR in the industry, like I'm talking about bank traders, like professional, that they do it for a job. They usually get like 1 to 1, 1 to 2, or even less than 1 to 1. But the ones that do go for 1 to 3, they got like a 20 or 30% win rate.
wow. I calculated my eval, like my stats and shit. I put it into ChatGPT. I asked them to do it. Let me tell them to you, and let me know if they're sick or not.
I did the same. Yeah, ChatGPT helps a lot.
So I had 65 win rate, 3 to 1, profit factor 5.15. I expecting to see 140.
What's your what's your expectancy?
140 per trade. And I took like 25 trades.
1.4?
I guess it says $140.50.
No, sorry. I'm. What is an RR? Do you know?
It's 3 to 1.
No, that's your winners.
Yeah, I won 60. I lost
what's your win rate?
65%.
Yeah, I'm gonna calculate your expectancy per trade on average, with including losses.
Okay. I need to figure out what expectancy means.
You have a 1.6. That's really good. Basically, every trade is gonna pay you 1.6 R. So you can expect 1.6 R for every trade you take.
That's sick.
That's really good. Most professionals, what do you think they run it at?
3. It's just, I'm not sure, to be honest.
0.2 to 0.4 R.
So I'm decent.
You're it's very good. If it can be consistent over the course of years, then that's like phenomenally good. You can double an account in like 2-3 months.
I hope I don't crash out, bro.
When
I get on tilt, when I get to tilting, it's crazy.
I think the simpler your rules are, the harder it is to tilt. Like this new model I'm backtesting, all it is well, here, let me screenshot the rules. It's so simple.
Dude. Not chewing loud, I'm about to mute myself.
Put it in the call group chat. It's super simple. There's like 4 rules, right? That's it. And the simpler it is, the harder it is for you to break your rules and to tilt.
Yeah, I just got filled in shorts again.
I'll check it out, bro.
Who's on shorts?
I didn't mention though, I long at 9:25, so I only really have 1 minute to make a decision, and then I close my phone. Like I can't tilt. It's impossible for me to tilt that model. But I backtested over like 3 or 4 years, and it works better in volatile. It only really works in volatile markets, and I think the expectancy is 0.7 for the best year, and then 0.4 for the worst year.
That's sick, bro. So wait, how much you pull in like every 2 weeks? Like if that's okay with me asking.
Every 2 weeks, like in the past 2 weeks, I only had this trade, and I had a loss. So net, I'm probably like 800 US in the past 2 weeks, but it changes. Some weeks I might get two trades, and like 1 week, 2 weeks ago, I had two trades in that week, and I missed both of them. It would have been 5K Canadian dollars I would have pulled in. Like it just changes. Like I don't trade often, so if I miss it, like I don't pull in anything, or usually I would say like 2K. If I do everything properly, like 2K is a good amount to expect US
Yo, who's
dollars.
still in them shorts?
Who's still in?
I'm out.
Yeah.
Nah, bro, it's time to get out.
Shit, I just got filled in.
Why would you
What
do
the
that, man?
fuck, bro? What?
Actually, let me check. Hold on.
Bro, what do you mean?
I mean, yeah, it could still go down. It's 5 minute fair
Bro,
value gap.
just listen to that 5 minute.
It could still go down, man. Hold on, give me 1 second. Let me check it. I already got taken out. That's the thing. NQ. You on NQ or what?
Yeah, I'm in Q.
You're in shorts. Yeah, I see.
Fam, there's just so much jaws, fam. Yo, I don't.
Just put your stop above the high, I guess, and you'll be okay.
Yeah, I'm about to go break even soon. I'm already up like 250.
That's sick.
But yo, LP fam, I was gonna tell you, yo, you should just start doing prop firms. I can't lie.
The thing about prop firms is I'm doing prop firms for my
It's the way to
second.
make more money.
Yeah, I'm doing right now. I'm doing prop firms for
Yo,
my second model. But, oh, my bad. Yeah, I prop firms is just I don't take it seriously. Like
yeah, I know.
every time I feel like tilting, I open up a challenge and I just blow it. Like that's it's kind of like a tool. Like I just don't take it seriously. When I make a trade on a prop firm, it's just not like I can't withdraw that money. It's not the same. But I get what you mean. Like over time, as I grow more and like start growing live accounts more, like yeah, I think I'll use like a simple model for a prop firm. But right now, I'm chilling. Like I want to do deposits into my live account instead. Because these prop firms, you don't know, like some one day regulation could come down on them, and then all of a sudden like half of them gotta close.
Yeah.
I
Yo,
did my
fuck.
challenge with Apex.
Fuck, bro. Do I get out this trade?
This
But I did
they
I
might come
did
back down. They might
I
they
did
might come
used to
back
do
down.
I did used to do top step. Like I got some payouts last year with top step.
Oh, proper. Yo,
Yeah.
cause yo, it's telling me it's fam on the higher time. Like, I don't even know, fam. Cause yo, it just inverts the 1 minute gap. So yo, I don't even know, fam. What I should do.
Wait, why are y'all stressing?
What do you mean?
Did you get into the trade?
Yeah.
Did you
This is my
follow the
last one.
rules?
Yeah, this is my second trade.
What's the reason to stress?
Yo, you're right, fam. Fam, now that I think about it, you have a good mindset, real shit. I don't even know why I'm stressing. It's just because yo, it inversed that 1 minute gap. I didn't like to see that.
So
Can't
then
lie.
you should be happy it'll hit your stop. If it hits your stop, you won't have any more risk and you're gonna be able to relax.
That's true.
Yeah, Slime. Who do you trade with? What prop firm?
For me, Alpha
Yeah.
Futures.
Futures. They're expensive, no?
Not even
How much for like 50K?
a bill. I mean, are you from the
No.
US?
I'm from Canada, bro.
If you're from Canada, it's 100. No
That's
activation
what
fee.
I
Yo,
did
you're from
Apex.
Ottawa?
Yeah, I'm from Ottawa.
Say word, fresh. What part?
Myself.
Oh, fresh. How long you been trading?
Like 3 months, bro.
Fresh.
But did options since December. I was just obsessing over it. Like every day I was getting 6 hours, 7 hours screen time.
Fam, I don't even know what options are still.
Options are fucked. Don't ever do that. Don't do that.
Alright.
But you're from the south too?
Nah, I mean, I'm from Orleans.
You know Freezy?
Huh?
You know Frieza?
Frieza? Yeah. I went to the same school as him.
Oh, I see.
Uh,
But yeah, bro, Apex Futures is cheap as hell.
yeah, but yo, I can't lie, the rules are shit, fam.
How? What rules?
The rules to get a payout.
Yeah, it's not even that one. Me, it's the what is it? The daily threshold, the trailing threshold. Yeah, it trails when you're in an open position. Like
Yeah. So even if you're up like 2,000, but then it goes back to break even, you lose the account.
if I get 5 losses in a row, like I can't risk, 2%.
Yeah, it's tricky.
Bam, I think this is the longest trade to get,
Even
bro. What the fuck?
my second model, I have a 43% chance of getting 15 losses in a row. Like I can't do that in trade prop firms.
So when you say model, you're looking for something exact every single time?
Yeah,
Okay, I get it.
fam. Me, it's either like liquidity sweep, tap into a higher time frame Peter Ray, like inversion on a higher time frame to determine like my bias, and I need to draw liquidity on a lower time frame model.
You guys listen to TJR?
Nah, fam. I watch this nigga called LPTrades, fam. That guy's way better. He explains it easily, my nigga. Easily.
Makes sense.
Fam, this trade is taking so fucking long.
It'll come back. The waiting is the worst part.
I'm gonna end the
It's part of
stream
the game.
just because I think I'm gonna go out soon. And
I think I'm gonna
Where's
get
your
stopped.
stop?
yeah,
Where's your stop?
anybody still in the stream, thank you very
691.
much for watching. If you hit the like button, thank you very much. If not, it's okay. Yeah, we caught a W today
That's
on the
okay.
stream,
Like, yo, I'm going
so
profit.
that was pretty nice. But
Is it good now?
Yeah,
I
I'm
hope
in profit now, but now I'm back
if
in
anyone's
bottom.
watching
Fam, I
Where's your
think it's
take profit?
or watches in the future,
my
y'all
take profit's
learn
at
some, because
them lows,
you can
575.
definitely tell some of these guys are a bit newer trading. Like
My entry's at 661.
with how they,
661.
I can tell the people that are good at trading and not good, but the experienced traders from the unexperienced traders in that
Maybe like
Discord.
45
And
will work. If you put it at 45,
it's just nice to
this is a
know that
risky
you're
one
doing the right
still. You
things.
don't know which way it's gonna go.
When you're doing them.
645 over my TP.
But anyways, I'm gonna hop out.
I don't know.